The following segment is sponsored by Smith & Edwards. You can almost smell it in the air. You can feel it for sure. The temperature's changing. So get ready to fire up your grills because it is barbecue season. It's upon us. And Mike and Curtis from Smith & Edwards are here with all of the outdoor cooking answers. Thanks for coming on the show today,
Thanks
guys.
for having us, and thanks for being outside in this beautiful day.
Oh my gosh, it makes you want to get out, right?
Yes.
And talk about this because it's ready. We're all ready. Curtis, you've been cooking for a long time. Mike, you've been on the show. You bring all the cool products from Smith & Edwards. This one I recognize. I've seen the big green egg, but this is called the mini green egg.
Mini.
Tell me about this stove cooker. What is it? It's a barbecue. It does everything.
Yeah, so it's a ceramic oven that you can smoke, you can grill, you can sear meat, you can cook pizzas if you wanted to. It's pretty cool. It's a wood-fired ceramic oven. Yeah.
You said, Mike, this gets super hot, so searing a
you
steak,
can sear a
it's the best.
steak in that, and it stays, even if the temperatures are cold outside, the ceramic holds the heat.
And it is hefty, so in between grilling, you can do your curl sets.
You can do your workout, yes.
And to go along with this, you guys have tons of stuff at Smith & Edwards, including all these rubs and products to go with it. Tell me about some of the products you brought today.
So one of our most popular selling brands is the Meat Church brand barbecue rubs.
The Meat Church brand. I've seen some of the labels. They are hilarious.
It's a good church.
It's a good brand, but you're a convert apparently to this church. And they are the best in the biz.
Yep.
Oh, yes.
One of them, yeah.
I love that holy cow I love it on steaks.
Yeah?
I cook it on eggs in the morning, too.
No way.
Yes.
But you said make sure you finish up with this guy. This is the Blues Hog.
Raspberry chipotle.
That's the secret
You
sauce.
don't put that on it first, you put that on it in.
Oh my gosh.
And it sweetens things up, and it's got a little bit of a spice to it. That's good. On whatever meat you're doing, you can put it on your eggs
Now,
too.
Smith & Edwards is the place to go. Why is it the best place to go for your outdoor cooking needs?
Because we have everything that you need. We've got everything from the seasonings to the grills to all the tools to go with it.
And you know the brand up in Ogden. Of course, everyone knows the store. It's been there from 1947.
Yes.
But there's one on 90th South
90th
and Redwood Road. Oh, you're going to be there anyway. Go check this place out because they got pizza ovens. This uni. Tell me about this. I've never used one.
It has a ceramic stone in it. You put the pizza right on it in 90 seconds.
Okay.
Turn it once, and in 90 seconds, you've got pizza.
Awesome.
And so it's fun because you can lay out a bunch of dough and everybody puts their own stuff they want on it, and you cook your individual pizza.
You've even got mini stoves. I've seen the big one, the smokeless. This is a great thing to put right on your table as you're cooking. But along with that, you've also got things to keep things cool. Tell me about these big coolers right in front.
We brought you the Yeti brand today.
This is
the
the best.
that will keep ice for days.
Yeah.
And I love the pull-up handle and the wheels because you can load a cooler up, as you know. And that just is easy to haul.
You can easy to haul, easy to chill. Check this out. You put the handle. I love this one. In fact, I saved the best for last. Look at this thing right here. Our whole cast, our crew, everybody on staff is raving about this chair right here. This is the Kuma camping chair. Tell me about it.
It's heated. It's got a battery pack that you charge, slides underneath, and so on those cold mornings or nights, doesn't matter. You're in a heated chair.
This is the best
and
job
a cold
ever.
drink.
Smith & Edwards has all the cool stuff, indeed, absolutely. Check out this chair. It's Father's Day almost. Get outside. Camping is where it's at. Thank you, Mike and Curtis.
Thank you for having us.
Cheers.